How to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can wear multiple hairs on Roblox. To do so, first of all, you'll have to open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type roblox.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. You will reach to the official website of Roblox. Here make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, at the top left, you'll find these three horizontal lines. Click on those three horizontal lines to access the menu. And from the menu that appears, click on this avatar option. Once you do so, you will be presented with your avatar. From here you can choose your hair you want to wear. At the top you will find various options. Hover your cursor over this head and body option, and at the bottom you will find this hair option. Click on this hair option right here. And now you will be presented with available hair accessories you would like to wear. Here select the hair you would like to wear. Click on it to select it. Once selected, you will be previewed with the hair you have chosen. Now to wear multiple hairs, here you will have to select another one. Double click on the name of the hair and you will be taken to this page. Here at the top on this address bar, you'll find some numbers. Copy the numbers and come back to the previous page. Again select this head and body option and select here. Once you do so, at the bottom you'll find this advanced option. Click on this advanced option and a dialog box will appear. Here click on this one of this box and paste the number that you have copied earlier. Once you do so, now click on this save button at the bottom. After doing that, it will ask you if you want to override your current look. Click on the save option. You can see currently both of the hairs are applied. You will need to purchase the hairs if you need a different combinations and a large variety. So in this way you can wear multiple hairs on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.